Hello guys, Till Trader here. So today I'm just going to explain some few features that we've actually added on the Naive Trader platform. So just head to naivetrader.com. Head to naivetrader.com. I'll have the link on the video, naivetrader.com, or just go ahead to my bio, you'll get the link. Naivetrader.com, then we have the advanced speedboat section. So I just want to show you some new features that we've actually added. So right here where you have trade definition, you can actually prompt it. So you want, let's say for example, you are doing over 2, but you want to prompt it to trade any market. So what you do, for example, let's now even just run this one, and then I'll show you. Let me just lower my stake a little bit. Just lower my stake. Where is the risk manager? We have the risk manager. I'm going where we have split martingale, and then I'll have just the normal martingale, and my multiplier will just be, let's say 1. Let me do 0.35 for demonstration purposes. So like that. So that means no martingale, and let's just run it. So all these buttons are off. These ones right here, we have advanced setting, random setting, and analysis inject contract. So if I run these, I'll get over 2. I'll get it trading over 2. So let's just start, and this one is trading over 2. As you can see from the payout and from 0, you can tell it's trading over 2. From the payout, you can actually tell it's trading over 2. There we go. With the 2, we lost. So for that one, it's trading over 2. By default, it's trading over 2. That one is trading over 2. But now you can actually prompt it to trade what you want. So you just leave it as over 2, but now you come here where you have advanced settings. So to prompt it to trade, you can prompt it to trade over, under, matches, divers, or even and odd. So if you want to trade it to prompt it to trade digit markets with a prediction, just leave it at a contract with a prediction. So for example, now it's over 2. If I prompt it, I'll have the option to switch to it to matches, differs, or under, and also the prediction. So I'll just click on advanced settings. For that, for the prompt, you come here to advanced settings, prompt market, and prompt prediction. As you can see, all these is in one block. So if I click run now, it is going to ask me which market I want to trade. And what's the purpose of this feature? So this feature is helpful whereby you are analyzing the market and you want to be very fast when trading, and you don't have to go back to the trade definition to change. So you can actually just do this. So it will actually prompt you. So I'll just click run, start. There we go. I have all these market types. So I can do maybe under. I'll just click under. As you can see, under is activated, and then the digit that I want to trade. So I can say maybe trade under 6. You'll actually see from the arrows pointing downwards, it will be trading under 6. As you can see, the arrow is pointing downwards. Where there we go, we got 7, so we lost. We got 8, we lost. But everything else, we are winning. And from the payout, you can actually tell it's trading under 6. There we go, 6 we lost, but 5 we won. It's trading under 6. So I'll just stop it for now. Just stop it for now. And you will see that it has some trades. After you have stopped, it has some trades. So what's doing, like the bot is not fast enough. Like the journal is not fast enough in updating, but the trade has already taken place. So the journal is not fast enough in updating, but the trade has already taken place, since it's every tick. Anyways, that's it. That's one of the updates. So I'll just click reset and go and show you another update. So I can just turn this off like that, and then I can do the random settings. So I have the random one here, and random contract type. So for the random contract type, I can trade either even or odd as the random contract type, but I can actually select the random contract type I want. So I can add over, and I'll also add under, and then remove even and odd. So I'll have these two. Then have random prediction. So I want it to predict random digits. So if I want over and under, maybe I want to trade, let me remove other digits, the digits that you can trade randomly over and under. So I want it to trade maybe these 4 and 5. So you can trade either. As you can see, it's actually changing the prediction as we speak. As you can see, we have 5, we have 4, we have 5, we have 4, we have under there, we have over. So it's actually changing just randomly. Under, over 4. We have under 4. We have maybe over 5. It's just changing. So if I click run, I don't know actually what I'll end up with. But I can also, like, you can add any market you want and the prediction. And then you can also add random time. So if I don't want it to trade like one tick, so I can come here and add random time. Once I add random time, you realize the duration here is changing. Execution time, we have 9, we have 10, we have 2, and then we have the time right here. So you can also have random time. For this, I'm not going to use the random time, so I'll just turn off the random time and come here, leave it as one tick. So for now, it's not changing. The only thing that's changing is the market and the contract type. So I'll just click start and let's see what we get. So the contracts actually, as you can see, we head over, under, we head over, between 4 and 5. So it's actually just mixing the contract. It's just mixing the contract. So people actually love using these in cases of recovery. When you want to do a recovery with the DFAS, maybe a person wants to do a recovery with DFAS. Let me just stop it before I lose much more. If you want to do a recovery with like DFAS, when people are doing a recovery with DFAS, they normally use that one. So for example, a person will just do this. Let's do a demonstration of that, of how you can actually use this random. So I'll just replicate the market. I'll add the second market so it will replicate the first market, and I'll come here and I'll turn the random off so I don't have any random, and then I'll do something like over 2. I'll do over 2 like that. I'll do over 2. Then my risk manager, I'll move it to global, and then I have over 2. My volatility, move it to global. Trade definition will just be here, so I'm doing over 2 right here for a single tick, over 2 for a single tick. So that's market 1. I'm doing over 2 for market 1, and then where I have market here, market switcher, I'll do like that, and then I'll do on recovery like that, as simple as that. So when it loses on market 1, it'll go to market 2 until it recovers. Then once I'm done with that, I'll head to market 2 and do my settings on market 2. So right here, I'll add the contract type DFAS, and then I'll remove these other 2, and then I can just turn off the random contract type. So I know I'm going to trade DFAS, so I just leave it as DFAS, but I'll now do a random prediction. What I'll be doing is random prediction. So I'll be actually just doing a random prediction of DFAS. So I want all the digits 0, 1, have 2, have 3, 4, have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So I have all the digits, so it will be trade randomly, but I don't want to trade like one tick because I'll be predictable. So I have random time, so it will be picking the time, and this is for my recovery. Now this will be for my recovery. Let me move the martingale to global so that I can set it as true ones, and then my volatility, my market volatility, I'll just switch it to global also like that. And then once you move it to global, it will come right here. Market volatility, have 10-1s. The risk manager, for this it's better. For this you can just use even the martingale, but now we want to recover with the the high stake. So we have here multiplier for DFAS. For us to recover like our stake, have like to be 12 or 13 times. So I'll just do 12 times, and you can use even a stake of like $1 or even 0.35. Let's try it with 0.35, and then we'll multiply the stake by 12. That's how we'll be recovering with our DFAS. And remember, it's not in the exact like one tick, it will be just be going and going and going and going. So let me just start the bot. And mind you, this is not the advanced Tom Shadow. This was just the advanced Tom Shadow, but I have modified it so I can actually download it and share it with you guys in the group. So I'll just click on start. Once I click on start, there we go, the trades. There are the trades. So for now, it's actually doing market 1. So for over 2. Once we lose on over 2, it will head to the second market. So the one with the DFAS. There we go. We already got it. Yeah, we did. Yeah, it did multiply by, what was my multiplier? 0.35. It did not recover everything, but it's okay. So you can just actually modify it to recover everything. But as you can see, that was the differs market. That was the differs market. So as simple as that, and it can take a while. So once it loses, it will take a while because it's just the random. It's just the random time. It has a random digit and random time. So you will not actually not be predictable. Will not be predictable. So there we go again. So you're just recovering the differs, and then we're multiplying our loss by 12 so that you can actually try to recover what we have lost. So it's just as simple as that. It's just as simple as that. So here we go again. We wait for it to recover. So that's how actually that feature is used. The random one, that's how it is used. So we are done with the random one, so I'll just stop the bot. You realize it will not just stop instantly because like the journal takes some time to update, so it's the journal is lagging but the bot is very fast. So I'll just click on reset, and then I'll go back to the bot and show you something else. So here we have market switcher, not market switcher, market one. For example, if you're just, because normally you just be using a normal market, for you to see like what is it called? Okay, so we have the trade definition. Here we have trade definition. So we have the analysis inject contract. So that's not yet, if you turn this on, it's not yet active, but what it will actually do, you'll turn analysis inject contract on, and then you'll have a strategy right here where you have strategy logic. You'll have a strategy right here. That strategy will just be analyzing everything, all the markets. And when this is turned on, the analysis inject contract, it will inject the contract automatically right here. So it will be trading the contract that the market sees. You will not, but you can also have control because you can actually select the market that you want. You want it to analyze. Maybe you can add even, odd, over, under, maybe rise, maybe fall. So where it gets an entry, that's where it will actually take a trade. It's actually that simple. Anyway guys, see you in our next video. The platform is naivetrader.com. The advanced speedbots has a speed of 1 tick. We also have the AI speedbots. I know you guys are familiar with the AI speedbots. It's just right here. You can also use it. And then we have the advanced analysis tools. So this is just where we had like the analysis tool. You just click on the analysis tool. We have this is the advanced analysis tool. So for you to get the old analysis tool, just click simple mode and it will load the old analysis tool. It's actually that simple. Anyway guys, see you in our next videos. Adios.